What's up, Facebook friends? I just found a bird right here. They stuck on the paper thing. But my mom just did call somebody to get that bird out of there with this. So, Mom, what happened the last time?
I don't know. We'll watch it.
So
He's scared.
I know that. Guys, Facebook friends, that bird is so scared.
I'm gonna get the stuff straight in there. Okay, you watch the little bird.
We'll keep eye on him until he's on his way. Like I said, this is not an emergency, guys. We'll help you, okay, buddy? It just went right here, hide right here, and went all the way over there. I'm not sure what the bird can't get out the trap. That almost get. Okay, just don't be scared, okay? Right? Just stay there, right?
We got to keep him from getting under the car. Can you reach the paper down there at the corner of it? Because if I move my foot.
It's okay. It's okay. Try to.
There you go. Come on, pull it on up here.
It's okay. All right.
I can't
Okay.
do nothing. Here, come on. Put him up here, Shirley.
It's up here.
No, don't up there. He'll fall in the back. Right here.
Whoa. I have to hold it like this.
Okay, now you can get up. Honey, it's okay. We're not going to bother you.
We are not gonna bother you, buddy. We your friends.
Here she comes. Yeah.
I know. Somebody will on the way to help you. We'll help you.
Yeah, we heard something wrestling and
I think someone got stuck. The bird, something on there.
yeah.
I don't know. Thinks that. It's okay. It's all right.
I don't know if I can get him off or not. Yeah, he's only. Okay. He's stuck him very good, isn't he?
Okay. Let's see. This is supposed to get off. I just don't want it all over him or it.
What is that?
Whatever. This is oil.
Oh.
There we go.
There we go.
There we go.
We got you out there, right?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey, thank you.
Wonder where that's going there for anyway.
Well, did you have some out? Did you
Not
have
that I know of.
Uh-huh. Because I
What?
just talked to my son the other day.
Uh-huh.
I think he said, we were talking about snakes under the house.
Uh-huh.
I think he said sticky paper under the house. And he told me,
Uh-huh.
we were talking and he said oil, just oil will get it out. So, it worked. Thanks.
Yeah.
How you do that?
Huh?
Just plain oil. Put
It's
it
just like
down.
cooking oil, the canola
Cocoa
oil.
oil. Yep. Thanks so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Now say